thinking that's the guy. Let me pick up the guy.
Hey. So before we go, if I give you at the end of the ride, if I give you a $10 tip, would you give me $5?
Like in cash?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. I think I got 5 on me.
Yeah, that'd really help me out. I'll give you double whatever you got.
Okay.
You can watch me put it in.
Oh, you mean like through the app?
Yeah.
No, only if you have cash. Because I've seen this thing malfunction where it won't give you tips. I'm serious.
I mean, I'll show you the receipt after. You can watch me put it in.
I've seen it where people will put stuff in, will put the tip in, and I get nothing. I've seen it several times. I've even had video of it of people doing that, and it will not work.
I'm gonna have to call you.
All right, you want me to drop you off back there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I just gotta turn around somewhere.
Never heard of that. But I'm no bullshit. Like, what I say is. So you mean there's a glitch with the app or what?
Yeah, I've seen it sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, if it was more reliable, I'd do it, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to risk it. It's right over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.